So all you need today for this painting that we're going to do is your primary colors of red, yellow, and blue, and some green and brown and some white, and you can put some black on there too if you want. These have really nice bristles and they're great for your trees and your bushes, and this is going to be used for your background, okay? And then we have a flat synthetic brush, chiseled edge, and I have a flat a Filbert brush, which is chiseled edge and synthetic, and I also have a liner brush. Some burnt umber or dark brown on your flat chiseled edge brush, and just clean this edge up here. You just got to clean up your edges. A bit of dark shadows going on over here. Probably reflection from that tree and things. I'm going to pick up some of that green with a little bit of white, a lighter color, and I'm going to add just a few little leaves here. Just use the corner of your brush to tap on those little leaves. Then use the Alright, good. Darken up my green and add a few little chiseled edge of my brush. I'll add a few little like I said, all these little things make your painting brush, and I'm going to use my dark color. I'm going to make a few rocks in the water. I won't put in too many, just probably put one here. Just make a line and just make that line. Don't make anything else. Just thicken it up a bit. That's enough. Maybe another one here and one here. Okay, just to give it some interest. All right, that's the dark colors. So try to make your line a bit straight there, and then just thicken it up on top a little bit. Clean your brush. Get your burnt sienna with a bit of white or yellow. Burnt sienna. I think yellow might be nice. That's a nice color. And lay that on top of here. See, now you got your shadows and your tops. Just using the corner of my brush. And then just add your dark color as a bit of a shadow from the rock. Right? See how shadows are important? This is a very good painting for learning. Layering, shadows, highlights, shapes. See the difference it makes? Makes a big difference, doesn't it? You can even darken up this edge here so that it will look like it has a little bank there. Just take a little line, just like that. See that? That wasn't much, now was it? And here. Make it look like it's going around the corner there. The water is back there somewhere, it's coming around. Good. I think I'm going to call that finished. I'm going to end up ruining it. I will call it finished. I know I'm trying to get that brighter over here, but I may try that some other time. Okay, so let's call that finished. That's a pretty painting. That's a good painting that I may do for my masterclass on my Patreon, because there's so much to learn here. And so if I don't have the full video here, if I just do a demonstration or I just skim through it or whatever, I will have the full version in my on my Patreon in my masterclass. So that's a pretty painting. I like it, and so I hope you like it. Out a small fan brush, and we'll just finish up this little bit in here. Just get some white paint and put it around the rocks for a little water line, just a bit of water going in here. I'm just going to tap that in there a little bit, just move a little bit of water in here. A little bit of water coming down here, it's moving. Move it around a little bit and come underneath the rock here. And a little bit here. You got a few little movements of water happening here. Just move it a little bit there like that. Tiny bit under here because it's darker there. A little bit here. Okay, let's add a bridge. I think a bridge would be nice here, wouldn't it? Maybe one here. Let's try going up. Make like a letter C. There we go. See, that's nice, isn't it? I'm just going to put that one line right there. That's all I'm doing. Good. I'm going to get flat chiseled edge brush, and I'm going to put a burnt umber on there. I want dark color. Follow that line. My chiseled edge. Voila! You have a bridge. Now, there's your little bridge. We're just going to highlight the top, some white and burnt sienna. Some white and burnt sienna. We'll highlight just the top. Good. And we will highlight it once more with some white. Clean off your brush a little bit, just put some white on there. Maybe not too white. Just brighter than what we have there. Light, a really light burnt sienna. I'm not sure. Kind of add a bit of yellow. Give it a bright color. burnt sienna, yellow, and white. Let's try that. Let's try that. Wipe it off, is too much on there. And you might have to just go around the edge. All right. Really want to highlight the top part here. Oops. Really gotta have a steady hand for this, hey? Let it darken as it goes down the back there. Alright, so I fooled up a little bit, so we're going to add back that dark. There we go. And then we're just going to add some yellow. The white. White and yellow. And our flat chiseled edge brush. And we will just highlight this top part here a little bit more. That's where the sun is. Let's take my time and just try to catch that top part. You can even take it and pull in from the edge here. Like that, touch and pull in. There we go, it's a little bridge. And we will have burnt sienna and a brown for a shadow. Burnt sienna and blue, I'm sorry. Burnt sienna blue for a shadow going across that. And we want to make it glaze, so we're going to wet our brush. So I wet my brush, the paint is still on there, but I'm going to wipe it off with my tissue. Leave a little bit of water on there, so the color should be still there. And we are going to add a little shadow. That way you don't lose everything. Alright, I want that shadow a little darker, just add a bit more green or blue. Just up underneath is a little better to get the darkness. Okay, good. A little more white and yellow. I'm going to add a little more white and yellow to this. Almost got it. Almost. A little tedious. What you need to do is let that dry and then put your white on. White, yellow color. You can have any kind of bridge you want there. Mine's a little broken. Start at the edge here and pull back and you'll get that nice little edge there, see? That's cool. I'm not going to play around with that too much. I'm just going to add a little bit of a, you know, if there's a bridge here, there's probably a little path or something. I'm just going to put some burnt sienna and green and some dark colors there. And make a little path going up over the hill here. So when they come off the bridge, they got somewhere to go. Right? Goes back there somewhere. There's another one here. Now, yeah, so make sure you got a little bit of darkness or something here just to separate that. That's nice and dark there. It's grass going up here. Maybe there's some little flowers in there. Little white ones. Or whatever color you want. Maybe feel a little white and red or something. Just give it a little bit of a change.
Little details. Oh, it makes it so nice. You might say, you don't want your painting too busy, but
I know. But that little bit of highlight gives it a really nice look, doesn't it? Because I'm having a hard time getting my grass. I want to try this brush. This is my Bristle, smaller Bristle brush. I'm just going to try a little bit. And I'd love to see your painting when it's finished. If you have any trouble with it, email me at AllisonPryor@yahoo.com. And I may put this in my Patreon page for a masterclass and just do a simpler form here on my YouTube channel. So I will let you know about that, and you can join my Patreon page and then get more elaborate paintings and master. Because we layered them. That's all this is like that because we layered. We layered the paints, different colors. Well, thank you for watching my video today. I just want to say thank you all for all your support through my Patreon page, and just for watching my videos. I'm really happy that I could do this for you, and I get a lot of nice compliments. So I am so happy that you watched that video, and if you have any questions about what you saw in the video, just leave your comments below and I'll answer them as soon as I can for you. And we will do some more videos coming up.